वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू लिटरेचर मंत्रा। आई एम हर्ष सिंह। दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी और जेएनयू के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम के डेट जारी हो गए हैं। सो जेएनयू के डेट्स हैं बिटवीन 20th टू द 23rd ऑफ सितंबर और डीयू मतलब दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के डेट्स हैं बिटवीन 26th ऑफ सितंबर टू 1st ऑफ अक्टूबर। ये एग्ज़ाम के डेट्स हैं। सो अगर आप एमए इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस देना चाहते हैं तो जल्द से जल्द फॉर्म भरें और प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दें अगर अभी तक आपने शुरू नहीं किया है तो। इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर जेएनयू एंड डीयू इन 1 month। Now before moving ahead, a small announcement for DU and JNU 2021 means जो सितंबर में है उसके लिए, for that we are running a crash course, fees just 3000। So if you want to join, just WhatsApp us on this number given below। We will forward you the enrollment form and payment link। Now अब बात करते हैं how to prepare for DU and JNU in 1 month। Now what should you do? पहली बात तो ये कि आइडियली आपको अब फिनिशिंग टचेस देना चाहिए। सी फिनिशिंग टचेस से मेरा क्या मतलब है? नाउ फिनिशिंग टचेस से मतलब ये है कि की एरियाज, फोकस ऑन की एरियाज। But what are those key areas? Key areas like history of English literature, then literary criticism, then literary theory, and so on. And one thing to keep in mind is that literary theory is not the same as literary criticism. Okay, so prepare both. बस एक prepare करके ये मत समझना कि दोनों हो गया. Prepare both of them. After that, practice questions. But what should be the difficulty level of those questions? See, most questions which come in DU and JNU are between moderate to difficult level. Easy questions are very few and all questions are not difficult. Okay, not difficult. So mostly moderate level questions honge in Delhi University's exam and in JNU's exam. After that, keep past trends in mind. Okay, so reorient your preparation according to that. So literary theory, for instance, is one of their favorites of the teachers or examiners, whoever set the question paper. So prepare that well. Okay, but remember, DU and JNU have a tendency to give surprises. So surprises के लिए तैयार रहना. See, I said earlier that focus on key areas, but don't ignore other areas of the syllabus. For example, Dalit literature, Indian literature, American literature, research methodology, इन सब पे भी ध्यान देना. Because as I said earlier, DU and JNU are famous for giving surprises. So aim for maximum coverage of the syllabus. And see, there is enough time to prepare for DU and JNU. So अब ये तो excuse नहीं हो सकता कि time was not enough. ये तो excuse नहीं हो सकता. There is enough time, ample time to prepare well, and within the limited time that is left, you can clear DU and JNU. And once again, if you want to join our crash course or for any other inquiries about MA entrance, just WhatsApp us on this number given below. So with this, I wish you all the best and I'll see you in the next video.